So today I'm going to unbox the Stairville LED Par 56. This is the Mark II edition. This is actually a RGBW fixture, which means red, green, blue and white LEDs. So now getting into the box, we're greeted immediately with the bottom of the fixture. This is the actual par can itself in its bag. So now getting inside, we have some lovely silicone gel bags to keep the damp out. We have our user manuals, one in English, one in German. We also have our spotlight safety guide, and we also have a colour frame. So this actually contains mesh to protect the light. A lot of the times you'll use it in uplighting situations. This is great to make sure stuff doesn't fall into it. You can also use this as the ability to actually put some filter paper or a gel in this. Moving on to the light itself. In the bag, more silicone gel in there. Move that out of the way. So we've got it nose down in a minute. So this comes with a European plug. This just has to be chopped off or changed, or you can buy adapters for this that you can use more permanently. So we've got our power input, we've got a earth connection. We also have on this bracket, we have our main bolt hole here. We've also got we've just got one on the side as well. So on the back we have our DMX input, our DMX output. We've got our screen here. We've got a menu button, up and down, and OK button. We've got a push release here for the XLR connector. We've got a nice large handle here to adjust the bracket. So on the front we can see the 10mm LEDs. You can actually see the slightly more yellow LEDs here are actually the white LEDs, the rest are the different colours, red, green and blue. You can also actually open this par can quite easily. If you remove these 4 screws here, this thing comes off as a circuit board, and there's a bracket further down with the other 2 circuit boards that actually run this fixture. As you can see, this is the Par 56 size, short nose. We also have our bracket at the top to fit our gel frame into, so that allows us to slide it in and it sits in between these bits here. Now this does come in 2 versions, and one does also come with a double bracket if you want to actually place the light on the floor. You can also use different ways of doing that, such as using a block or just laying it to its side like that. Check out my next video where I actually look through the brightness of the light, some of the functions it's got built in, and also running in DMX mode with another few of these lights.